Hello student, in previous video we have studied about the distribution of minerals in world and distribution of minerals in India. As we have studied that how minerals are unevenly distributed in world, different countries, different in continents have different deposit of different minerals, and similarly in our country, in India, different states have different deposits of different minerals. In this video we will try to understand about power and energy resources. We will try to understand power and energy resources. From morning till night, from development of industries, from industrial revolution till now, everywhere and every time we need energy for not only body, to run our any function, to run our any activities, to run our machine, to run our in factories, everywhere energy play an important role in industries, transport, industry, communication, okay, and also in agriculture sector. It means everywhere energy, need of energy we can see. Energy, it can be many form, but the foremost, the coal, petroleum and natural gas are general energy, and then wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, thermal energy, these are also, and according their use from long time, from where they are in use, or and any energy have possibility or potential to use in future. On this basis we can classify power or energy resources into two part, into two group. First conventional energy, conventional source of energy, conventional source of energy, ये conventional resources. In conventional source of energy, some basic, some classical, in two way, that fossil fuel we can put in conventional source of energy or resources, conventional resources, first fossil fuel, and second firewood. These are two group. These are two group. And in fossil fuel what is? After million years before, by decaying and decomposition of plant and animals, this fuel were formed. It means fossil fuel take million years to form. In fossil fuel there are three major. First coal, second petroleum, and third natural gas. These three fuels are fossil fuel. These three fuels are fossil fuel, and these fuels will be exhaust after use. It means stock and reserves of these fuels is limited, and firewood near about 50% in rural area in India complete need of energy is completed by firewood. Firewood, it means woods of forest that can be used to produce heat and light or energy, any type of. Let's try to understand one by one. Coal. Generally in India found in Gondwana land, it means in plateau area, southern area. There are 4 categories according their quality. There are 4 categories. What they are? First, anthracite. First, and second, bituminous. Third, lignite, and fourth, peat. In anthracite there are 90% proportion of carbon, about 90%, and bituminous about 70 to 80%, and 60 to 70%, and in low quality. This is low quality. Peat is low quality, low graded coal. It means anthracite is finest coal. Okay. Petroleum is called black gold. You should black gold because of it is very valuable and very important as like gold. It's called black gold. Natural gas is the combination of methane and hydrocarbon. Natural gas generally contain this is LPG, liquefied petroleum, gas, and CNG cars, compressed natural gas, compressed natural gas. These are generally conventional source of energy. Let's try to understand. Actually, I have written a lot of in here, and if you have understood that, let me revise again, and then I'll try to explain their concentration, where their concentration. Conventional source of energy, it means energy that are in use in from long time, from past. They are not as like solar energy. In your home or in your district, how much solar energy we are using? Near about nothing. But petroleum, coal, natural gas we are using. So they are conventional. It means they are these resources and these fuel are used by our dada pradada. Conventional source of energy: fossil fuel, firewood. No any confusion. Fossil fuel. It means coal and petroleum and natural gas. Coal, there are 4 varieties according their grade of carbon. They are how much they contain carbon. Anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat. There are 4 quality. And petroleum, black gold, and natural gas. It means natural gas. These 2 are gases, and they extract from drilling deep inside the earth. And firewood, firewood is nothing about that. Let's try to understand that coal, the largest coal producer, coal is most abundantly fossil fuel. It occurs between layer of sedimentary rock. Okay. Coal is generally used in thermal power plants, and largest producer are the Russia, China, South Africa, Ukraine, Poland, UK, Germany have also coal deposit. ठीक है, जर्मनी रूर एरिया है जहाँ पर होता है. भारत में इन इंडिया दामोदर रिवर वैली, झारिया, धनबाद, बोकारो, रानीगंज एंड गिरिधि, these are coal mining area of coal mining area of India. Petroleum generally coal deposits and new deposits of coal are found in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Korba in Chhattisgarh, Talcher in Odisha. They all being developed in association with modern coal industries. Petroleum between layers of sedimentary rock, it also, and drilled out in raw form and sent to refineries, and there we get in form of different kerosene, wax, plastic, lubricants, petrol, diesel, this different part. Mostly petroleum producing countries are, you know that, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait and Persian Gulf areas are largest producer of petroleum. And apart from here, it means apart from Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Bahrain, Dubai, USA, Russia, and here on other part of the world also petroleum deposits are found. In our country, Digboi in Assam is petroleum deposit, but in our country that is not sufficient for completing our need of energy from petroleum. Okay, we have to import from other countries. Natural gas, deposit of natural gas is nearly ठीक ठाक in our country. That's in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Here we find natural gases. So student, because these are conventional source of energy and similarly they are non-renewable source of energy. It means, and one more, hydroelectricity. This is also conventional source of energy. Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity. What is hydroelectricity? Hydro it means water. Electricity माने electricity generated by water, flowing water is called hydroelectricity. You know, let me wipe it. Okay student, tidal power. देखिए सपोज दिस इज रिवर और यहाँ पर हम डैम बना देते हैं। डैम आफ्टर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम हियर वाटर स्टोर्ड विथ जस्ट लाइक रिजर्वियर। और क्या होता है, इसके अंदर से पाइप से पानी क्या होता है निकालने की सुविधा होती है। अब यहाँ पर इसके नीचे क्या होता है, टरबाइन लगे होते हैं, ऐसे टरबाइन। अब पानी जब यहाँ पूरा फुल हो जाता है तो इसको पानी को छोड़ दिया जाता है, तो टरबाइन क्या होती है, ऐसे ऐसे नाचना शुरू कर देती है। और नाचती तो इसके दोनों किनारों में जनरेटर लगे रहते हैं, जनरेटर, और ये टरबाइन रहती है, और फिर पानी इधर अपना निकल जाता है। ठीक है, ये डैम है। तो यहाँ से जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है, ये जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अपना आगे निकल जाती है। ठीक है, तो ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी निकलती है। इसको 3D में आप देख सकते हैं, अपना सर्च कर लेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड about नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी। थैंक यू।